So in order to create a list, we can use a list function. Okay, let us create this simple empty list. So we're gonna say this is our empty list, and we say list. So we have created an empty list. So now let us look into how can we create a non-empty list, right? So in most commonly, we will create a list and add initial elements to it at the same time. Okay, we can achieve this by specifying a comma separated set of objects within the list function. Let us define um, just simple data structures and define a simple list. So I've went ahead and I've created this simple vector of numbers, and I've created this matrix of letters. Okay, if we were to see how this matrix looks like, we will see we now have this matrix of characters. So in order to create a list from this matrix and this vector, we're gonna say we are going to create an unnamed list and say a list, and then we pass in the vector, and then we pass in the matrix, and then we pass in the matrix, right? So we have created this unnamed list, and if we try to run this, and we can observe that we have this vector of numerics that is contained within this list, and we also have this um, matrix that is contained within this list. So let us try to create a list, and we create a named object, right? So let's say we're gonna say now we're creating a named list. So let's say this is a named list, right? So we're gonna say list, and then we pass in this vector, right? So we're going to pass in this vector that we created. So this is the vector that we are going to pass in, this one. Copy this and gonna paste. So now we are going to create a named vector, right? And we're now going to say this matrix is going to be named matrix in our list, and copy that and we paste. So now if we run this and we say named list, we observe that we now do not simply have we do not simply have numbers, but we have named list. So as you can see, we have this list that we name this vec, and then we have matrix. Okay, so this is how you can create a named list.